Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what we believe is the best welding machine inverter arc welder you can get your hands on. The TRQWH Portable Welding Machine 110 volts arc handheld welder. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional fabricator, this compact powerhouse is ready to impress. Let's get into it. Right off the bat, this machine grabs attention with its sleek, green design. It's incredibly compact, measuring just about 9.8 by 10 inches and weighing a mere 3.9 pounds. That's lighter than a gallon of paint, which makes it extremely portable. Take it to your garage, backyard, workshop, or even carry it on site. It's built for convenience. But don't let its size fool you, because this machine packs serious performance. Under the hood, it's powered by IGBT inverter technology. That's the same tech you'll find in many industrial-grade welders. It ensures the arc starts quickly and reliably every time. You'll notice right away how smooth the arc is. It keeps splatter to a minimum and gives you a consistent, stable weld even if you're new to the game. And thanks to the built-in hot start function, you can strike an arc without frustration. What sets this welder apart is its 5-level current adjustment. It allows you to fine-tune your welding current from 20 to 120 amps. That kind of range gives you the flexibility to work on everything from thin sheet metal to thicker structural pieces without having to switch machines. Safety is also a priority here. The unit is equipped with overheat protection, overcurrent protection, and overload protection. Basically, it's designed to shut down safely if anything goes wrong, protecting both you and the machine. The included welding mask is a nice touch too, especially if you're just starting out and don't already have gear. Now let's talk about what's inside the box. Along with the handheld welder itself, you're getting a full kit: a ground clamp, welding brush, toolkit, user manual, 5 welding rods, and a face shield. Everything is neatly packed and ready to go the moment you unbox it. That makes it not just a product, but a complete starter set. In terms of performance, it delivers steady, reliable results. For quick fixes, home projects, fence repairs, or even light-duty metal fabrication, this welder does the job smoothly and without complication. It's especially great if you need something that doesn't require a 220 volts line. Just plug it into a standard 110 volts outlet and you're off to work. It's perfect for hobbyists, farmers, artists, small repair shop owners, and even general contractors who need a quick, mobile welding solution. It's not meant for heavy industrial applications, but for day-to-day welding tasks. It punches well above its weight. To wrap it up, the TRQWH Portable Arc Welder is the best inverter welder in its class when it comes to portability, ease of use, safety, and value for money. It's proof that good things come in small, green packages. If you're looking to start welding or need a reliable second machine, this is an option you don't want to overlook. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another breakdown of the best products out there. See you in the next one.